Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet. Oh, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go to the island, Formentera, which is an island in Spain, near Ibiza, which is where we're staying, and that's going to be another video. So we're on our way on a boat, so I'll see you guys there. Bye! So we finally made it to the beach, and it's so pretty. It's the clearest and warmest water I've ever been to.